Today I'm making a quick and easy recipe from Hungryroot. It's their teriyaki tofu and green beans. We've got the green beans here. And we've got the teriyaki tofu. Okay, so it gives you all these instructions on boiling the green beans and putting the tofu in a pot to cook it. But I'm just looking at it and it says this is fully cooked and can be microwaved. It says heat in 5 minutes. And this other one, the green beans, it says microwavable bag. So why am I gonna go through the trouble? I'm just gonna throw these in the microwave and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Voila. So clearly I changed my mind. When I opened up the tofu package, it wasn't as easy as throwing it in the microwave. It actually was like a block and it had instructions that I needed to squeeze it out into a paper towel, get all the liquid out, and then crumble it into the pot. So that's what I did. So as you see here, I'm crumbling it into the pot, into little pieces. But of course, first I put some olive oil into the pot, probably about 2 tablespoons of oil. It started splattering everywhere. So I had to take a lid or a little frying cover thingy that I have, put over it. I'm going to shake it up a little bit here so that it's coated with the olive oil. Turn the heat up a little bit. Let it warm up. And you know I gotta season my stuff, so I'm throwing in some garlic powder, some onion powder, shaking it up a little bit more so that the tofu is coated with seasoning. This is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to grab the teriyaki sauce, pour that over the tofu, turn it down a little bit, turn the heat down a little bit. I want to make sure I squeeze out all of the sauce. And then I'm going to stir it. And if you guys want to try Hungryroot, I'm going to leave a code here up on the screen so that you can get $50 off when you purchase from Hungryroot. I added the green beans and mixed that all up. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas. Don't forget to comment below and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes on the channel.